What's going on, everyone? Brian and Priscilla here, back at Volcano Bay. It has been almost a year and a half, and we have the new addition to the family joining us today. Little baby Logan. This is his first time at Volcano Bay and a first time at a water park. So we're super excited for him to experience this. Obviously, we won't be sending him down any of the speed slides. He'll be able to do that pretty soon though. But today, we're gonna be seeing everything there is to do when you bring a baby to Volcano Bay. Right now, Logan is 8.5 months old, turning 9 months next month. So yeah, we'll have to see everything he can do. Of course, I know if you haven't seen any of our previous videos of Volcano Bay, we did a whole series exploring the park, going on all the water slides, some awesome GoPro footage, sliding down and everything. But as you saw in those videos, if you haven't yet, check those out now. But there's a ton of exploration to do here at this water park. It's literally my favorite water park. It's a lot of fun, awesome slides. There is an epic kids area, actually 2 kids areas. So we will be checking that out with Logan right here. And it's gonna be an absolute blast. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's have some fun. All right, so as you can see, obviously, by the looks of this right here, you can bring your own stroller in the park. So today, we are actually not getting a locker or anything. We have all of our stuff loaded up in here to save a little bit of money. He's like, what is Brian doing talking to that camera? He's even rocking his Mickey Mouse with him today.
Wrong park.
Wrong park. All right, and here is the epic volcano shot.
Logan.
He's memorized by that. The camera does not do justice at all on the epic size of that volcano. It's super, super cool. Actually, the fastest slide, the tallest slide in the park is actually at the top of the volcano. It's actually pretty sick how they designed everything here. All right, guys, so we just made it to the kids area. So there's 2 different locations here. We're at the kitty baby area right here, and on the other side of it over there is for a little bit bigger kids because they have a little bit bigger slides, some of the tunneling slides. And Logan is already like checking out all the water splashing and everything, like, whoa, what's going on over there? He is kind of tired, so he may take a nap first before we get too crazy. But yeah, this park is absolutely dead today too. There's really not many people here. So if you see this whole area, all these picnic tables with umbrellas are still wide open. So we're about an hour and a half in now to when the park opened, and there's still plenty of availability over here. So we literally grabbed our own picnic table with the umbrella, got our stroller set up. We are good to go now. But yeah, so it is a middle of September right now. School's back in session. It's actually a Thursday. I tell everyone, like, the best time to come to a theme park, or especially water park, is in Orlando is during the month of September. It's pretty darn slow, and school's in session, and if you can get here during the week, it's typically pretty dead, and that's what it looks like today. We even just walking around from the entrance to here, there was very few people on the pathways. Every single ride too didn't even have a wait time. It was all ride now, which means like ride immediately. And we've talked about this in previous videos of Volcano Bay, but we have the little tapu wristbands, which is essentially a virtual wait time system. You just scan it at the entrance and it saves your spot in line. So during that period, while you're virtually waiting, you can go do attractions that don't have a wait time, such as the lazy river, wave pool. You can hit the bar, go eat some food while you're waiting. Of course, that's on busy days. And the reason I'm explaining this again in this video is because right now, this thing is essentially pointless because of how slow and dead the park is right now. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna get all set up, get our sunscreen on, and jump in the water. And point of information for all you parents out there, get one of these awesome portable fans. This battery lasts like, where is it? There it is. This battery lasts like all day and it's super strong, powerful. It has a rechargeable battery on it. We have that one, and then of course the one attached to the stroller right here, which Priscilla uses like literally every day, right? Yeah. Especially when we're like walking the dog and the baby. And we're in Florida, so it gets to be 1,000 degrees every day in the summertime. Definitely worth the investment. It's definitely a must-have. So especially the way it like wraps around and attaches to the stroller, it's super cool. So for both those fans, we'll put the links down in the description so you can check it out on Amazon. Logan loves it. He wants to grab it right now. Logan, you ready? Yeah. So where we're sitting at right now is Tot Tiki Reef. This is the Toddler Area, hence the name Tot. Perfect for little Logan. So this is the small kids area. They have a couple small little water slides here, a lot of little splash things hanging around for kids to jump and play in. And it's the perfect depth, just like maybe an inch deep of water. So Logan can just sit here, splash in it, play in it, and have the time of his life.
Oh, I don't know, he got kind of scared. I think he can get used to it time, you know?
That was Logan's first water slide. Here we go, Logan. Ready? Woo! Was that fun? So, guys, this is the other kids area. For a little bit bigger kids. This is Runamukka Reef. So where we were just at, the little Tot area, that was for Logan, and this one's for a little bit bigger kids. Obviously, as you can see, there's a lot bigger slides, some like water guns, a lot of water splashing around here. It's a really cool little area for kids to explore. If I was little, I would be having the time of my life running around like a crazy kid, splashing all the other kids. So Logan's a little bit small, I think, for this area. So we'll just hold him and walk around with him so he can kind of explore everything. All right, hopefully Logan doesn't get too upset getting splashed on because we got to walk through all this water. That's not like you guys just avoid it. And then this way, this way, this way. Now we're in a cave. Oh, you can see the people. So here you guys go. This is a good overview of the entire kids area. Runamukka Reef. I keep forgetting the name. So check it out for the big kids, and then there's the tiny kids area over there.
Look at this.
Oh snap! Priscilla can dunk water on more people.
That's a full bucket.
Yeah, full bucket. Yeah, turn it. Oh, and here you go. You also have at the back of the park, there's Cabana Bay. Probably one of the best hotels to stay at if your main goal is to visit Volcano Bay, because you can literally walk from there to here. You also have the Americana Hotel. And then what was the one your parents stayed at? Aventura Hotel is the tall one over there, which is really cool. They have a rooftop bar and restaurant up there, which has like one of the coolest views of Orlando and the theme parks. All right, so just got back from the longest walk and food run ever. Every restaurant in this park is closed, and every snack stand is closed right now except for one, which is crazy. I guess because it's a slow day and they're trying to save money. That's got to be it, but it was definitely a pain because I literally walked around this park twice to find it. Anyway, so I got the spicy jalapeno koala burger, which I'm pretty sure I had last time. And Priscilla got this like chicken salad thing. At least I picked that up for her. Hopefully she likes it. If she doesn't, I'll go get her something else, I guess. It's pretty simple. I felt like I couldn't go wrong with that. But yeah, super unorganized at the restaurant I went to too with how they're doing everything, but whatever. But at least to put myself in a little bit better mood, I stopped and got myself a double shot margarita. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, I would say for both of us. I'm drinking for the both of us because she's still nursing, so I'll try to enjoy it for the both of us. And the sad part is it's actually her birthday today. Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you.
So I will definitely cheers, happy birthday. Enjoy this for the two of us. And look at how cute this sucker is right now. Absolutely adorable. Someone finally woke up from their nap. Check this out. Another reason why this fan is totally worth it. Ready for this? We're gonna flip it upside down. It has this little hook right here. We're gonna pop open the hook, and now you can actually hang it from something. So, hold this. So, we're gonna hang this up here. Oh, almost. There we go. Point it down. And now, we have a ceiling fan. Base of the volcano, which is directly behind me, and it overlooks this walkway we're on right now, overlooks the wave pool area. It's actually a good spot if you have kids playing in the wave pool. You can watch them from up here.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Here we go. Another awesome thing with this park is being able to interact with all the different things with your wristband. pretty neat. We are pretty much wrapped up with our day. Fun fact, we just changed and showered in this private little family restroom that's literally behind. It's called the Punga Racer Slide. There's like legit no one there, and we had the little restroom to ourselves. It had a nice shower, plenty of space to help change Logan.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's soap available. Pretty cool, hidden little secret. Not in any of the locker areas, just a little hidden family restroom. So anyways, did you have fun?
Yeah.
I think Logan had a lot of fun.
Oh, he did.
Biggest downside probably to today with bringing a baby is we should have brought our own U.S. Coast Guard certified life jacket for Logan, because he wasn't able to go in the lazy river,
Any of the pools.
any of the actual pools, because that is a requirement. But yeah, overall though, the regular kids area was pretty good. Spent a lot of time there.
Yeah.
He took a nice long hour-and-a-half nap today. It was very peaceful. Got a good spot in the shade with our own private umbrella.
He enjoyed the volcano.
Enjoyed the volcano exploding. What else? Oh yeah,
The sand. He played with the sand.
Played in the sand for a little bit in front of the wave pool.
Yeah.
Almost no one on that side. Almost no one on that side. Park closes in about like, oh, it's closing now.
Oh yeah.
It's, dang it, that went by fast. So yeah, like I said, mid-September, school's in session. It's a Thursday, and there's no one in this park for the most part. I was able to just walk on any of the slides I wanted to go on, did a couple of slides, did the lazy river outside of hanging out in the kids area. But yeah, so I definitely recommend, if you can hit up a water park during this time of the year, go for it. It's definitely worth it. Only downside though, like I said, probably because it's so slow though, they only had one food location open that was super unorganized. I think they're like lacking probably on some of the staff, you know, whatever. Priscilla, you made a good point earlier about what they should do.
Yeah, I think they should put it on the website. If they don't reach the capacity of, I don't know, like 1,000 people or whatever, they're only opening this or that restaurant, you know, because like I remember last time we came, I had a poke bowl and I was thinking about it, but of course they were not open.
Yeah, so they obviously advertise on their website all these restaurants are open and everything, but today you come and yeah, it's slow, so of course they have a lot of places closed, but still they're advertising it. So I don't know, maybe unless we missed it, we could have missed it, you know, but literally one restaurant today out of the entire park that we had to like hunt for food at. So anyways though, I think overall though it was a good day.
Yeah, it was good.
So
it didn't rain, which, you know.
Yeah, beautiful day out. Still really nice. It's actually a little bit cooler today too.
Bye.
What else? Anything else? Got it? Good?
Yeah.
Logan?
It was good. Logan is tired. He's gonna take probably a good nap home.
Yeah.
And hopefully he's gonna leave all.
We pretty much rented the whole park out for this fella right here.
He's really tired.
Yeah, he is. So anyways guys, that's all we got in today's video. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely check out our other videos of Volcano Bay, where we tour the entire park, we ride all the water slides, and have an absolute blast. But today was Logan Day. So anyways, see you guys. Peace.
Bye.
Oh yeah, and by the way, how cool is this GoPro POV baby monitor camera we got for him? He's the star of the show.